In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to edit a floor plan. So it's pretty easy to do. It's over here in the left-hand menu. If you just find floor plan, and you have the option to add or list floor plans. Since I want to edit an existing plan, I'm going to select list floor plan. And then you can see that they're sorted by type. So single wide, unit with addition, multi-section. So if I want to edit one of the single wide, I can say view details, and it's going to show me all of the floor plans that are within this category. So I've set up a fake floor plan here called Rebecca, and that's the one I'm going to edit. So I'm going to say view details, and I've decided I want to rename it Dwayne. So I'll rename my floor plan, and I'm going to save it. Don't forget to wait for this green success bubble before you click off of the page. And now I've renamed my page. So if I click list floor plans again, go back into single wide, you can see now that that plan is showing up as Dwayne. And this is also the screen you would use if you want to delete a plan. So since this is obviously not a real plan, I'm going to go over here and click the delete button. And it's going to ask me if I'm sure, and I'm going to say yes, I'm sure. And then that plan will be deleted. And on this screen, you don't have to save or anything, just the delete is all you have to do. And that's how you edit or delete a floor plan.